note down the name.
Okay, so, all right.
Hi, Shan.
Hi, Neha. Hi, everybody. Sorry I'm late, and thank you so much for taking care of Lakshmi with her current.
Laksh- Lakshmi, Amrita, and Priya have taken care of three candidates so far. So you can
Excellent.
take care of Isaac and Swapna.
Perfect, perfect. In fact, I will be doing a very generic orientation, and I will try to address as many job hunting concerns that I can do. Let me share my screen so everybody can see the presentation. I usually like to keep the flow audience driven. I like questions and interactive sessions, but in case if you want to have a glance on where the business is heading, you can always look into the documents at my screen. If not, please interrupt and feel free to ask questions. So guys, my name is Afshan Munir. You can look me up on LinkedIn and Google, and I have been doing this for almost 17 years now. Please don't guess my age, I don't like that. But I started pretty young, in my defense. Well, so basically my work is more around helping experienced or non-experienced working or non-working professionals in the field of IT. And I have, and the company I'm representing today is Solution Sync.
That's really overwhelming actually to hear. So because people,
I'm sorry.
yeah, so yeah, thanks to happy to know that because people like me, it's really overwhelming to hear because we are having the visa status, we are having the work permit, and we have some knowledge and we have background in IT, but due to some reasons we are not able to get into the job. So yeah, hoping we'll get something that favors really. So yeah, we look forward.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, Priya, I work with multiple business clients. One of them is career shift and career transformation cases, and the other is helping experienced consultants who come out of projects from leading companies like Ernst and Young, Wells Fargo, Google, Symantec. So these are the two primary business lines I like to classify, Priya. And my friend, I love working with cases who come back to me after a break, or who might or might not have ever worked in IT, or who had to take a break because of kids and stuff. And trust me, a very large part of my audience are housewives and women who have never worked or might have worked for a little time, or have been teachers, have been nurses, and things like that. So you're in safe hands, Priya. So Priya, where are you calling from? Are you from California? Local to California?
Yeah, I live in Bay Area. I'm from Dublin.
Dublin, my God, beautiful Dublin, Pleasanton. Every time I go there, I love those places because I think they have the best salon. People from Fremont, please don't hate me. I love you too, but I think Dublin and Pleasanton have best salon and hair services. So I often drive there for the salon services. So welcome to the orientation. All right, most welcome. So Solution Sync is a very customized approach. It's a very customized approach to multiple job seekers in the market. I have been doing research for ages and years together, trying to understand a psychology of a job seeker, a job hunter versus hiring managers, especially in the field of IT. And I kind of try to fill the gaps, the general accepted protocols, and try to keep my job seekers as desirable as I can for my IT clients. And Solution Sync is a recruitment and placement agency. Our job is to take more and more audience on board, people with the desire, right communication, and right articulation to be a part of our training programs. Well, we don't do training. Solution Sync is majorly a recruitment and placement firm, but then we do counsel. We look into your case study and we counsel you to see what educational program fit for you. I have multiple teams and teams under teams working day in and out to help job seekers across California, across USA. Majorly, I have captured the north market of USA and also the Silicon Valley, Texas, and Seattle. I have many job seekers and hiring managers hiring in these locations in the field of IT. In fact, I also work with some non-IT positions, but mostly it is for the techno-functional part of IT roles as a business analyst, project management, and quality analyst. So that's what we excel, and that's where we train people to, like I said, we counsel people and facilitate them in best educational centers so they can get the right training and then apply for the IT jobs. So I'm going to use a very wild example. I was working with a case. I cannot take his name, but he was a pretty well-known director from Ernst & Young, and he has serviced almost 11 to 12 years in Ernst & Young as a program manager. And the 12th year he was laid off, and he came out and he told me, Afshan, I'm looking for a job. And I told him, we're good friends. Of course, we often have coffee and chit chat. We're good friends. And I told him, even with 12 years of experience, brother, you have to go through the classes. You have to undergo Scrum certification. You have to undergo the business analyst brush-up classes. The market is evolving every single day. The technologies are emerging every single day. There are competitors offering best of best applications to each other every single day. For example, one of my friend is a quality analyst from a leading company called Wells Fargo. And he worked there for 7 years on a technology called Selenium. And when he came out, there is Cucumber in market. There is Python in market. And, job seekers are expected to know. So keeping yourself updated and training is unfortunately or fortunately in my case, because I love learning, I love education. So is an ongoing process. It's a continuous process. It doesn't stop. And this is exactly where Solution Sync fits in. Solution Sync will give you the path, because if you were to Google what to do next, how to find a job, where am I heading, if you were to do things on your own over the Google, then you'll drive yourself crazy. You need an expert help. You need teams like we have in Solution Sync. You've already witnessed my rock star Neha Goel and the way she takes the information and helps people. So similarly, we have many teams in Solution Sync working onshore and offshore, both trying to help job seekers day in and out. Today's orientation is a more generic approach, so we can have a face to each other, but each one of you will have a personalized consultation, so we can look into your case and draw a plan for you. Some of you will fall under a plan where you are expected to finish the 30-40 days of prescribed and facilitated IT trainings. Some of you will have to take that route, where you will fall in the first 30 to 40 days of intense training program offered by our subsidiary helping partners, like external partners. Solution Sync do not do trainings. We are pure staffing. And, they will offer you that skill set that you need to hit the job market. And after you do that, they will provide you resume counseling, and then you will undergo a handover ceremony where account managers will come into play and submit you to hiring managers. So some of you, and mostly Priya and anybody like Priya and even Amrita, and other cases, you will fall under this plan where first 30-40 days you are going to dedicate in studying. You'll promise us that yes, we are going to give this 30-40 days to sit and study and scribe things out and research and develop and break your head on Google and YouTube trying to understand the subject and the content day in and out. So some of you will fall under that. There may be others, they will fall under a plan which majorly would be a quick counseling, a quick counseling, an expert mock, and after that the resume would be counseled. We will look into the rewriting possibilities. See, presentation is everything. Presentation is everything. Most of you will agree with me. If I were to present a resume with 2 lines about myself, then it won't fly. There are things that hiring managers love to hear, and some of those can be ability to adaptiveness, openness, available as and when needed, like challenges. A team player is something which flies in the market. It sells the most. So these qualities need to be inculcated and needs to be in the resume when we are putting you across to the hiring managers. And this is not just for your job hunt. It becomes a part of your life and personality as you grow in the system. So that's what I love about this job. That's what I love about the companies I have formed and Touchwood are doing successful in last 2.5 to 3 years. We have a record-breaking success of placing more than 80 consultants per year, which is comparatively high in Bay Area market. And one of the reasons is because I work on PD, personality development. I work on personal touch. And these are the people who go very, very far with the counseling that I design with my teams to help you succeed in life. Now, coming back to more concrete steps on how Solution Sync can help you in life. Let's move on to C. What are we here for today? Today we are here to understand our chances in the field of business analysis, project management, and quality analysis. These are techno-functional job roles. And I love Priya, who, by the way, Priya, you have a very sweet voice and very soothing. So I loved hearing you. But I love that she did ask me questions. So this is basically to encourage all of you to please ask me questions because that helps me drive the session more audience oriented. So everybody learns from the question that you raise because audience, end of the day, is the same, are in the same boat. Okay, now coming back. Solution Sync, like I said, business analysis, project management, and quality analysis. That is what you're here for today. Most of you will have this question, my friend Isaac, Amrita, Himaja. Okay, I see beautiful audience today, energetic, and I also have a couple of my Facebook friends, Priyanka Sinha, Manjari Mishra. How are you, Manjari? Nazima Nurani. Thank you so much. Love you guys for joining today. So, many of you will have this concern. Hey, Afshan, we have never coded. We are not programmers. We are not IT engineers. We have not worked in the field of computer applications. How do you expect us to get into IT? So, see, this is a very interesting twist in the story. This is a very interesting point in your life. No, you do not need to be highly technical in order to get launched as a business analyst, project manager, or a quality analyst. You need to have, first thing, I need good desire, good attitude. There's nothing that can replace your attitude. Your attitude and your promise to work hard is something that nobody can replace. That's the first foremost thing I need. Second, you need to have interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills, ability to articulate, ability to understand and coordinate between teams. How well can you listen to the stakeholders and scribe and elicit the requirements is the key to success. Your personality is everything in these job roles. And trust me, so far, proud to say that people from, majorly from Indian community or Asian community are getting success day in and out. In fact, every other community, I work with people regardless. I've worked with, many Asians and other continents in the world, but Touchwood, people have been doing great because these are the keys to success. This is where you want to focus your listening skills, your Swapna Vishwanatham. Swapna, welcome to the orientation, my friend. And your ability to be a team player is the key that most of the hiring managers are looking for. Jaimin, I am so happy to see you, Jaimin, today. Thank you so much for joining. And in order to develop these skills, we try to work with our subsidiary partners in designing the best workshops for you, where you need to undergo the success stories. You can talk to the past IT placed consultants. You can talk to the current IT placed consultants. You can look into the curriculum and the roadmap. You can look into the number of topics that you need to excel in order to land on a job. And this is something that will help you earn that $5,000 in your account every month to begin with. IT is one industry that is paying high in the market. Correct me if I'm wrong. No other industry promises you the kind of money that IT promises you. And we have worked for years together to understand certain secrets to success, certain secrets to push you on the job and get you that $5,000 that you're looking for. Another important secret that I must share, per the research, there are 65,000 IT job openings for only 35,000 job applicants. Can you believe it? There is still a deficit that we are trying to fix. There is a considerable deficit in the market that we want to fix. So this is the right time for you to grab on for the IT job openings and work with companies like Solution Sync. And I'm going to congratulate all our competitors in the market, all of us, right? There are many companies like Solution Sync working hard day in and out and placing awesome consultants. So this is the right time for you to decide. Another good news that you want to know, because of COVID, of course, COVID did bring me a lot of dip. There were many consultants that were laid off and we were sitting without jobs for many of them for months together. But now the market is opening. So because of COVID, most of the jobs have become remote. That's the good news. I know many of my friends here today, they have their kids, husbands, and many of my other friends have their wives and kids over here. They cannot think about going outside California, or they cannot think about relocating from a restricted location. But this is the right time. You want to sign up for the classes, get that resume counseling fixed, and launch yourself in the market for interviews and placements. Because we want to optimize this opportunity of grabbing a project from home and making that $5,000. And plus, Solution Sync also stands out for another reason. We offer on-the-job support unlike many other consultings in USA or in California. So that's one good news, that we do not leave hand of our placed consultant once they are placed. We stand with them because we understand the market is dynamic. It's dynamic. I'm going to use an example. Like I said, I work with many professionals who have been into this industry for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years. And I often meet them on coffee, and they come for my workshops and sessions and things like that. And they tell me, Afshan, we are in this market for 10 years, 11 years, 7 years. But we realize one thing. Every time we lose a project and we move on to another project, then it's a whole new world we are migrating into. The environment is different, the tools and techniques are different. So how do you cope up with that? The market demands many different things from you. How do you cope up with that? So one good way to cope up with that is understanding the domain skills. If you excel the domain skills, nothing in this world can take away desirability of you getting placed at the client side. It's the same thing, right? If I know cooking, then I know it in my kitchen, and I've been doing it for 7 years. And if I were to go to Neha's house and she expects me to cook a dish for her, then I need to understand that where does she place her species, where does she place the utensils, where are the other needed tools and ingredients placed in the kitchen. I need to read the kitchen, understand the kitchen, and then get to cooking. So it's a very generic approach to what we do. Now we have our partners to help you get brushed up and all up and ready for the job market, called Apex Training Center. They offer classes as frequent as every month. In addition to that, I also have a special workshop in-house where most of our placed or non-placed consultants come together to talk about job descriptions, how to excel hiring interviews and things like that. So we have those happening in workshop. These are the two things I want everybody to attend. You may or may not have experience, but I really want everybody to attend. So that's the map, that's the roadmap we are looking at. And having said that, I want to take a little break because now I want to interact and take some questions.
Hi, Afshan. This is Amrita. I have a quick question for you.
Yes, Amrita.
My first question is regarding the training part.
Mm-hmm.
So, can you please let me know, like, who will be providing the training? Since you mentioned that Solution Sync does not provide training,
Yeah.
so I was going to the FAQ, but I saw that training was definitely mentioned over
Yes.
there, but I'm a little bit confused on that part, like how to take the training or who will be providing the training and so on and so forth.
Absolutely, Amrita. A wonderful question. Amrita, my friend, I'm going to rephrase before I start answering it. Amrita, my friend, asked a very valid question. How are we looking at the training journey? Because I strongly recommend training, and it is also mentioned in our FAQs. We are partnered. Solution Sync is a staffing agency, and we deal with hot requirements in market day in and out, and we work with leading hiring managers in the market. We are sub vendors to many billion-dollar vendors who are responsible for placements in companies like Wells Fargo, Apple, Symantec, etc., etc., etc. And we work with the post-placement life cycle, right from onboarding to payroll to H1B to all other needs of the job seeker. And pre placement, we work with understanding your background, what all is needed, drawing the path for you, and holding your hand, facilitating you, and getting you graduated. See, Solution Sync doesn't do, but then your parent recruiter, Amrita, your parent recruiter, may it be Neha or Serena, will be with you every step of the way. Our partners, Apex Training Center, conducts classes for us, and that happens as frequently as every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, we have classes of business analysis, project management, and quality analysis. These classes are customized to help both experienced and non-experienced. So the first step is that you sign up with Solution Sync, and we facilitate you, we introduce you, we get you enrolled, we make sure you get the class link, and we also make sure you're attending it. So we are pretty irritating that way. Our recruiters are very irritating that way. They will follow up with you every single day. Hey Amrita, how is it going? How far have you reached? When are you graduating? And things like that. And once you graduate, then your parent recruiter, my awesome Neha and Serena, who leads the recruiting, and rest of them, team up with the main recruiters. They will follow up for a counseling and then hand you over to the marketing teams. Marketing teams consist of account managers and BDMs, business development managers. Now, these account managers will start submitting you to the hiring managers. And when you get in the hiring process, there are 2 steps of hiring process: mid-vendor call and end client call. So does that answer your question, Amrita? I know I took it a little far, but does that answer your question?
Yes, it answered my question. Thank you so much, Afshan. So my second question, my follow-up question is, so since you mentioned about the meet vendor and the end client, so the interviews would be conducted by me, or is it going to be like a proxy interview, or how is it normally carried out? I'm comfortable with giving my own interview. However, I don't know what the practice
No,
is.
we don't do that. But Yeah, we see, Amrita, here's the deal. Uh, our resume counselors and experts are going to help you excel every line and word of the profile, helping you put all the software stories together and help you with multiple suitable answers that we can give to the hiring manager in order to get hired. And there is one speciality of Solution Sync. Every time we have an interview scheduled, let's say Amrita comes on board with me and I have an interview scheduled for Amrita. So what I'll do is if your interview is scheduled for tomorrow, you will not go unless you talk to 2 to 3 experts. We want the experts to sit with you and mock you. They'll mock you, they'll ask you questions, they'll give you material. We have a repository which is 14, 15 years old, where, because I have been doing this with Alok Bhatia and then I worked with Strategism, I've been doing this with leading names in the market. So the preparation process is pretty intense. In fact, that's one of the reasons I hardly have any attrition rate in my company. People who sign up with me stick on to me, and even after I place them, they stick on to me. So that's the process we're looking at. That's Serena, guys.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Very
Are you
nice
on
to meet
Facebook
you.
Live too?
Yep.
Very nice. Sorry I couldn't join the orientation today, but I look forward to helping you guys in your placements.
Yes, Amrita, we'll take care of that. Don't worry about it.
Thank you very much. And my third last question is, I was going through the FAQ and it mentioned about the contract, because I have not gotten in touch with any of the recruiters yet. So this is my first time joining the orientation, and this is the beginning. I'm getting in touch with Solution Sync. So can you please explain a little bit on that part?
Absolutely. Contract, employment agreement, a wedding document, you'll be married to me, can't divorce me before 12 months. I know, it's always confusing. See, employment agreement or contract is just, it's a formality, and, usually what happens is, unlike many other companies, I tend to make a heavy investment when I am, offering the trainings through partners, and also I am looking into the counseling services, and I have a big team trying to hunt best clients in the market, right? There's a team who hunts clients, there's a team who hunts candidates, so there's cost of operations like any business. And I've had cases and instances where I take people on board, I work with them, and then they bypass. I get Amrita, and then I get her a position, and next thing I know that Amrita is directly working with my client. I don't want that. I don't want that. I'm sure you don't want that when you start a business. So to prevent that, we have employment agreement ensuring that you and me will abide to this relationship as per the employment tenure. But, having said that, California is at will, so these things can always be discussed at a customized level. So it's a 12 months contract. And there's also one important thing that I want to add. Most of you will be placed on contractual positions, because we work on corp to corp basis. We work on corporation to corporation basis. So most of you will be placed on contractual positions which are convertible after 12 months, 18 months, or 2 years. So you will be going direct to the client any which ways. But we do not want a conversion before a specified tenure, because it's business, right? I mean, we cater you at client side to meet the client needs, so you can get a career and we make a share. So that's how it works, Amrita.
Okay. So can you please? You have answered all of my questions. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
I'm a little bit confused on one part. So I didn't understand the terminology of the corp to corp part.
Yeah.
So what does that actually mean? Because I have not been in the IT.
Yeah.
I've been a teacher in my whole life. So
Okay.
that's why I'm a little bit confused on the IT terminology, as you would rather say.
You're
So
allowed to. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So, please let me know.
No,
what is
yeah,
the-
Amrita, it's simple, my friend. It means corporation to corporation. So basically what happens is I am a sub-vendor in the market. I'm the sub-vendor in the market, and I work with the leading vendors, including but not limited to, say IT Avalon, or for example, let's say IT Avalon or Intelligent Staffing. These are leading vendors to direct clients in the market. So it's a corporation to corporation deal that I do. I present my resources and my IT consultants, well trained, well experienced, well, articulated candidates with good profile to my vendors, and the vendors place you at client side. So it's a corporation to corporation deal. The corp to corp requirements. That's what it means. That's how you will get your first break, which is corporation to corporation requirement. And after your first break into IT, you may or may not be offered a full time at the end client, right? If you're offered, we are okay. If you're not offered, we'll help you hunt. I'll use an example, Amrita, so it can be clear for you. Solution Sync will present your profile to IT Avalon. Solution Sync will present your profile to IT Avalon. IT Avalon is direct. It's direct to Apple. For example, again, everything is an example over here. It's direct to Apple, it's direct to Wells Fargo. So IT Avalon will conduct your interview and they will like you, and then they'll submit you for Apple and Wells Fargo, and then a hiring manager from those companies will conduct an interview with you. So this is purely my network, my clients, and years of hard work and years of connections I've built, and I go in the corporation to corporation fashion. That is the placement nature that you will experience with me.
Okay. So after 12 months, for example, like if my project gets over, so will you be helping the candidate, or will you be helping me like to go for a job hunt once again, or how does that generally work?
We love doing that. We love doing that. Well, I'm not going to lie to you. Every company wants their customer base to come back, but even if they go direct, we still go out with them, have lunch and coffee, because they're always referring us people. So we are very relationship oriented that way, So yes, absolutely. If after 12 months, if you don't find it, we'll help you. That's not. And in case after 12 months, if you come back and tell me, hey Afshan, this time I want to go full time, then I will go ahead and submit you for full time positions. And then of course the payment terms and everything will change because you have completed the employment tenure. So that will have a one-on-one customized consultation for that. 100%, to answer your question, 100% will help you. In fact, Amrita, I'm very relationship oriented, and that's one of the reason I'm in this business as a CEO of a 7 million firm, and also I am advisory member and a COO for other companies. And one reason I'm here is because of my relationship with the customer base. There are people working with me for 3, 4, 5, 6 years. They don't leave me, I don't leave them. They finish their initial tenure and then they come back, So it's all about relationships for me. If not for that, I wouldn't be here, honestly speaking. So
Shan, sorry to cut you. Sunny has a class in next 3 minutes.
Okay.
If we can wind up today, and then recruiters can get in touch with Amrita, Lakshmi, Priya, and Swapna tomorrow.
Yep.
I believe Deepshika is already in touch with them.
Yeah.
And she can.
So I want to take Swapna's question because I think she has been unmuted.
Yes.
And for absolutely, for anybody else who did not get a chance to ask a question, can always email Neha and Serena for a customized session, and we'll open a call. So Swapna, please ask me a question.
So my question is, when would the next training session start, and what are the timings?
You're looking for a job as a business analyst, project manager?
Yeah.
Okay.
Business analyst.
Business analyst, okay. Before I answer that, of course, I have to look up the calendar, but I also want to give a very, very quick information to all my viewers today. Please be open for business analyst / project management together. Please be open for both the job roles, because as it is, it's a techno-functional job role, and the percentage reduces if you're area restricted, which I'm assuming most of you are. And top of it, the responsibilities are very interchangeably used. I was placed as a UAT project manager in a leading company, and when I went in there, I was eliciting requirements, which is a BA job, and I was also writing test cases and test plans, which is a QA job. So once you get in, you'll realize that everything is IT analysis at the end of the day, So you can be expected to play any role. Okay, I'm hired in a movie. to be an actor, to be the main
So
lead,
does,
you know.
does
but-
this training help for both the roles as well?
Yes, absolutely. That's exactly why, and I love that question. I love that question. Guys, Swapna asked, "Is the training? Does the training covers this where a BA can be opened for PM, a PM can be opened for BA?" Absolutely. Absolutely. That's why the trainings that we offer are something that's not easily available in many leading educational centers. So yes, it is. Sorry, Priya, you were saying something?
Sorry to interrupt you, Akshan, because even I was wondering how come BA and PM can be in the same training, because the roles are pretty much different, right?
Yeah. The role on the paper as it suggests is different. The role and the designation on the paper as it suggests and to the very sound of it is different. I agree. I totally agree. But it is always advised, and from my years of experience into doing this, I've been doing this from TCS days, Tata Business Excellence days. It's advised that to understand the end-to-end SDLC cycle, software development life cycle, to understand the end-to-end SDLC cycle, it is advised for you to take BA/PM/QA. And just to answer Priya's and Swapna's amazing curiosity, I love it. We have a workshop that we conduct in Solution Sync, and this workshop is conducted by trainers who are working in leading companies in Bay Area. So they bring you curriculum that covers business analysis and project management together. They get you that curriculum. And apart from the classes schedule, Swapna, you will get the next upcoming classes schedule from one of my recruiting managers in next 5 minutes. Neha, can we get this done, sweetie, please? Yes.
I'm sorry, Afshan, can you come again?
Can you send the FAQs? Can you send the next available class roster by Apex Training to all the audience?
I have mentioned in my chat box. It's 7 p.m. today. It's a second session. If any one of them would like to join, they can let us know. They can get the link.
Beautiful. So, yes, please go ahead and sign up for the demos. Swapna, Priya, Amrita, Himaji,
So
all my
is
friends
it-
here.
If I understand it correctly, is this a second session?
Yes,
Is there?
that's correct.
But if I can wait like for 2 weeks, there will be a new session. Will start,
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
I just don't want to rush and just start like
No,
within an
I'm
hour
not
for the
asking you to
second.
rush. No, of course not. I'm not asking you to rush. It's just that, you can join today and you can see how trainer is teaching. It's kind of,
Yep.
you can get an idea. And after
Okay.
that, definitely, you can attend the next batch. There is no rush.
Gotcha.
No doubt.
Yep.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
do you do H1B
Yes.
visas like
Yes.
after we get placed?
Yeah. We do it upon, upon the offer. We'll understand your educational background and past experience, but you need a session with our HR manager who fills out these applications, because we need to look into your background.
Yep, got you.
Okay.
And
Okay.
in the contract, it is mentioned like few rates for the Bay Area. So I live in Texas, and I am place constrained to Dallas, Texas, or like in Texas. So is the pay rate same as in? That's the reason I did not sign the contract.
Did not
Yes.
sign the contract. Yeah.
Actually,
So
Shan, she has the same question to Deepshika, I believe. And I think Deepshika told her, of course, it's going to be same. And I think, Priya
Oh,
or any...
I did email Deepshika, but I did not.
So,
Yeah,
Neha, we need,
yes.
for such questions, we need a follow-up session, because, like I said, it will be customized to your background and what you're offering on table versus what we get from our client, so we can make a best deal for you. We need a follow-up session to understand that. Neha and Deepshika, would you put me on a call so I can help my friend over here get the best out of this and get her in the classes and market it? Again, these are brush-up classes customized for both experienced or non-experienced, working or non-working professionals.
Yep, got you. Thank you. And rest all questions, as Neha said, she and Deepshika were so good and they answered all my questions. So
Thank you.
I'm
They're
so happy
absolutely
about it.
love. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the questions, everyone. It was so nice to meet you all. And please drop in your emails with questions for any more discussions or conversations needed. Have a great Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday ahead. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Shan. Thank you very much for joining. Bye.
Thank you.
Guys, please reach out to the, I already mentioned